Hi dance friends, it's Rachael McEnaney-White here. I'm going to take you through a dance called Drinking Guarantee. Drinking Guarantee. This is a full teach. If you want a quick walkthrough, you can find that. There's a link down in the description below. I'm going to go ahead and face this way. I would say it's an easy intermediate dance. There are 2 restarts and there's a little kind of ending and there's some fancy footwork kind of. So here we go, Drinking Guarantee. Leading with the right foot. You're going to rock forward on 1. Recover the weight onto your left foot 2. Make a quarter turn to the right. Step in that right foot to the right side and point your left toe to the left side. So those first 4 counts is a forward rock. 1, recover 2, quarter turn 3, point 4. We're going to make a quarter turn to the left now, stepping forward on the left foot. Another quarter turn, stepping the right foot to the right side. Cross your left foot behind the right and point your right toe to the right side. So I am facing 9 o'clock at this point, okay? Just sometimes looks like I'm facing the back because I over-rotate my body. Okay, so that little section, we did a forward rock and a quarter point. Then we did quarter, quarter, cross behind and point. From here, well, let's do those first 8 counts again, shall we? Here we go, let's do it again. Rocking forward on the right foot, we rock 1, 2, quarter 3, point 4, quarter 5, quarter 6, behind 7, point 8. From here, you're gonna cross your right foot over your left. Make a quarter turn to the right, stepping back on your left foot, and make a half turn to the right, doing a right shuffle. That's right together and right foot forward. Okay, so what did we do there? We had our right toe pointed, we were facing 9 o'clock, your right toe is pointed to the side, you cross 1, quarter turn 2, half a shuffle 3 and 4. You should be facing the back now. You're going to rock forward on your left foot 5, recover the weight onto your right foot 6 and do a left coaster step for 7 and 8. Good so far? Yeah, so we had a point, we did a cross, a quarter turn, a half shuffle with the right foot, a rock forward with the left foot, and a left coaster step. That's your first 16 counts. Let's try it from the top. Drinking Guarantee. Right foot's going to rock forward on 1, recover 2, quarter 3, point 4, quarter 5, quarter 6, behind 7, point 8, crossover 1, quarter 2, half shuffle 3 and 4, rock left 5 with a coaster for 7 and 8. How about we do this? Stay facing the back of the room and let's try those 16 counts facing the back so that you're facing me for the next section. Here we go, rocking forward on your right foot, ready? And rock 1, recover 2, quarter 3, point 4, quarter 5, quarter 6, behind 7, point 8, cross 1, quarter 2, half shuffle 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, coaster 7 and 8. From here, we're going to do a vine with a heel jack. We're going to step that right foot to the right side. Cross your left foot behind on 2. Step your right foot to the side on and touch your left heel to the left diagonal on 3. Then you're going to do a ball cross left, right, and 4. So those 4 counts again is the right foot going side, left behind, and left heel, and right cross. And you're going to repeat that with the left foot. So your left foot's going to step to the left side. Cross your right foot behind. Step your left foot to the left side on and touch your right heel to the diagonal. Step down on the ball of that right and cross your left foot over. So the count is side 1, behind 2, and heel 3, and cross 4, left foot, 5, behind 6, and heel 7, and cross 8. Let's do those 8 counts one more time, a little bit faster. Ready, go. It's side, behind, and heel, and cross, side, behind, and heel, and cross. Shall we add that on? But we need to turn around and face the back of the room to start the dance. So facing the back of the room, let's try it. Rocking forward on your right foot, ready? And rock 1, 2, quarter 3, point 4, quarter 5, 6, behind 7, point 8, cross 1, 2, shuffle 3, rock forward left, 5, 6, coaster 7, here we go. Side 1, behind 2, and heel, and cross, side, behind, and heel, and cross. Are we good so far? Rewind if you need to. We're going to move on. We're going to do a figure 8 next. So it starts like a grapevine. Right foot steps to the side, left foot crosses behind, quarter turn stepping forward on that left foot. Step forward, that's your right foot. Quarter turn stepping forward on your right foot. Step forward on your left, pivot to half turn to the right, make another quarter turn to the right, stepping your left foot to the left side. Let's try that so far for those that have not done this movement before. You're going side, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, quarter side, behind, with that right foot, and then you're going to make a quarter turn to the left, slightly different at the ending here, on count 8. So that's your figure 8, it's 8 counts, side 1, behind 2, quarter 3, forward 4, turn 5, side 6, behind 7, and quarter turn on count 8. Facing me, let's take it from side, behind, and heel and cross all together. Right foot, ready, and side 1, 2, and heel, and cross, left 5, 6, and heel, grapevine, figure 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good so far? You've nearly finished. I think we've got 16 counts left. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay, turn around and face the back. Let's try it from the top. Drinking guarantee. Rocking forward on your right foot. Ready and rock. 1, 2, quarter 3, point 4, quarter 5, side 6, behind 7, point 8, cross 1, quarter 2, shuffle 3, rock forward left, 5, 6, coaster 7, here we go, vine 1, 2, and heel, and cross, left foot, 5, 6, and 7, figure 8, vine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should be facing the 9 o'clock wall, are you there? Excellent. Let's move on from here. We're going to do a forward rock and then a side rock. I'm going to rock forward on my right foot 1, recover the weight left 2, rock the right foot to the side 3, recover the weight left 4. Cross your right foot behind, quarter turn to the left, stepping forward on your left foot. You're facing the back. You're going to do a right shuffle for 7 and 8. Let's try those 8 counts again. You're facing 9 o'clock. The weight is on your left foot. We're going to do forward rock, side rock, behind quarter, right shuffle. Right foot's going to rock forward, rock, side, rock, behind, quarter forward, right, left, right. Got that so far? Yes, no, maybe? Okay, let's try it from the vine with the heel jack. Side, behind, and heel and cross. We have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, figure 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now rock forward right foot, then to the side, cross it behind, quarter right shuffle for 7 and 8. Fantastic. Do me a favor. Face the back of the room if you're not there already. We're going to do that same section again from the vine with the heel and cross, facing the back. Here we go. Right foot, 6, 7, 8, side 1, behind 2, and heel, ball, cross. Again, 5, 6, and 7, figure 8, vine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then rock forward on the right, rock side, cross behind, 5, right shuffle for 7 and 8. We've got 8 counts left and we finish the dance. Facing me, let's try it from the top. Rocking forward on your right foot. Ready? 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, quarter 3, point 4, quarter 5, 6, behind 7, point 8, cross 1, quarter 2, shuffle 3, rock forward left, 5, 6, and here's that vine. Side, behind, and heel, ball, cross. Side, behind, and heel, figure 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right foot rocks forward. 1, 2, side 3, 4, behind 5, quarter 6, shuffle 7 and 8. Let's finish the dance. You're going to stomp your left foot forward. 1. You're going to pick that left heel up and tap it to the floor. So we've got stomp, tap. You're going to twist both heels to the left and then both heels back to center, but you need to make sure when you return, you've got the weight on that left foot. Okay? So we have a stomp, tap, twist, twist. Weight is on the left foot. Then you're going to do a right kickball change for 5 and 6. Step forward on your right foot, 7, and pivot a half turn to the left on count 8. Weight should be on your left foot, ready to start the dance again. Yay! Okay, so those last 8 counts is left foot stomp, stomp, left tap, twist, twist, right kick, ball change, step, half pivot. Weight should be on your left. Let's do that again faster. Left foot stomp, ready, go, stomp, tap, twist, twist, kick, ball change, pivot, turn. Yes? So facing the side, 3 o'clock. Let's go from forward rock, side rock, behind quarter. Okay, right foot ready and rock forward, rock side, cross behind, 5 right, shuffle. Now stomp that left, stomp, tap, twist, twist, kick, ball change, pivot, turn. You're facing the back and you're done. Drinking guarantee. Turn around and face the front. Let's try it all the way through. 48 counts. Rocking forward on your right foot. Ready and rock. 1, 2, quarter 3.4, quarter 5, quarter 6 behind, 7.8, cross 1, quarter 2, shuffle 3, left forward rock with a coaster step. Now here's the vine and heel. We do side, behind and heel. Repeat that left 5, 6, figure 8, grapevine, side 1, behind 2, quarter 3, forward 4, turn 5, side 6, behind, then rock forward to the side, cross behind with the right, shuffle forward, stomp the left foot, stomp, tap, twist, twist, kick, ball change, and you start again rocking forward. How was that? Guaranteed? Do we get it? Should we do it again? I'll do it with the count this time so you have that all the way through. Rocking forward on your right foot. Ready and rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 behind, 7.8, cross 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, coaster 7 and 8, vine 1, 2 and 3 and 4, vine 5, 6 and 7 and 8, figure 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rock forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8, stomp 1, tap 2, twist 3, 4, kick 5 and 6, pivot 7, 8. Good luck. Facing the back. We did most of it facing this direction, so I think you should be good. Let's try it. Rocking forward, 6, 7, and rock forward. Quarter turn with a point. Quarter 5, 6 behind, 7.8. Cross 1, 2, shuffle 3, rock forward left, 5, 6. Here we go. Side 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then rock forward. 1, 2, 3, cross behind, 5 with a shuffle, stomp that left, stomp, tap, twist, kick, ball change, pivot turn. Let's start again. Rock forward, quarter turn with a point. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1, 2, shuffle, rock forward left with a coaster step. Now do that vine with a heel. 2 and 3 again. 5, 6, figure 8, grapevine. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rock forward, right foot, rock forward. Rock side, cross behind with a shuffle. Now stomp that left, stomp, tap, twist, twist, kick, ball change. Do it one more time. Rock forward, quarter turn with a point. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, shuffle, rock forward left with a coaster step. And here's the vine. 1, 2, and do it again. 5, 6, and 7. Spin around for a figure 8. 3, 4, 5, 6. Rock forward, right foot. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stomp your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, ball change. You did it. 2 restarts during the third wall and the 7th wall. Both times the restart happened facing the back, and it happens after 16 counts. And your cue musically is both times it's instrumental. So when you're hearing that guitar, the restart's coming up, okay? The second one's got a really long guitar section, but you know it's still coming. Third wall begins facing the front. You do the first 16 counts of the dance, which will take you up to the rock with a coaster step right here, and then you're going to start again. That's the third wall. And exactly the same thing in the same place on the 7th wall. Then on the, I'm really not sure actually, I should have checked. I want to say it's the 9th wall, but it could also be the 8th, so let's just bear with me, okay? You're going to repeat the last 4 counts, the last 8 counts, but it's on an opposite foot. So where you finish the dance, stomp, tap, twist, twist, kick, ball change, pivot, turn, you're going to repeat that. Stomp, tap, twist, twist, okay? This is on the very final wall. You'll be facing the back, so that, I'm not sure. I'll write it in the description so that you can see. Okay, so face the back for me. The very end of the dance, the final wall, you'll hear D.R.I.N.K.I.N.G. I'm in D, and they repeat it. So you're facing the back. This is the final walkthrough. You get through stomp, tap, twist, right kick, ball change, pivot turn. Now do that with the right foot. Right stomp, right tap, twist, left kick, ball change, and then do it one more time with the left foot. Stomp, tap, twist, twist, kick, ball change, and the song finishes here, big ta-da. Did you get that? Yeah, so that's the very last wall. You repeat the last 8 counts, but on the opposite foot. Right stomp, right tap, right twist, twist left, kick, ball, change, and then just one more time on the left. Has a really nice ending. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that helps. I do have a recap with Rachel, so you don't have to go quite as slow. Come join me with some music, and I look forward to seeing you on the dance floor soon.